Play. Oh wait. Playing this game because I love this game.
I couldn't hear you, so you're just gonna stay on top, okay?
There we go.
Go
Just gonna run around for a while until I find something. Or a while until the game starts. What's even in here? I do not know. I almost got all of the things that I needed to collect the first time. There it is. Alrighty, time for some chaos. I know what's gonna happen once that thing sees me. Turns up volume of it. Yes, I heard that, and yes, I saw that. So far, so good. Nope. I ain't going that way. Don't run directly into it. I think I have to. I most definitely have to fall. Yep. And now I wait. Man, I might get copyrighted for this, but I don't care. This game's fun. Playing a pac-man based game. And just wait until I get chased, bro. The music is so fire. I'm being fat. I quit. I heard that. That is. tried to think of this game. I'm busy running for my life. I got stuck. How many times am I gonna end up doing that? I hit this room, oh my goodness! The amount of stress I'm having. We don't talk about that. What's up, Pockets? Silly kitty. Time for more stress. I'm scared. Again, we don't talk about that. I'm ready. Oh, I'm playing this game so much. This is probably not one of my favorite games. What do you want? I can't answer that. The end is wrong. I've got my younger brother and a plush, which is plushie of Cosmo, watching now.
Yo, my favorite car, Mario Kart. What?
I love this game.
Oh, y'all. Guess, wait. I'm on a YouTube video, right?
Yeah.
I get to be on a YouTube video
Only with your voice.
when I join. Stupid. It's not this thing. 21?
21?
What do you say about it?
Because I can.
Yo, my favorite video game, Mario Kart. Yo, my cat
Okay,
earlier,
Thanos from Squid Game.
yo, welcome back, my friend. I like you. About to know Child the Legend.
Be quiet. Yeah, I know I'm gonna die. This is a one-player game. Identity Fraud is a multiplayer game. Or if I win.
You got my crazy uncle in the house?
I saw. Stop. I have one more. Oh my god, I have one more. This is the farthest I've ever gotten. Actually, no. I'm pretty sure I deleted that. They unfriended me. Yeah.
What happened?
Apparently, it wasn't good enough. I did it!
I mean, it might still be on her page, but and that's the only video I know. You better get to running. You're cooked.
I don't like this.
Imagine you just turn around and you see pac-man. Up.
I have no idea where to go. Actually, I am pac-man. Wee! I have no idea where to go. I don't think I have that much time. Am I timed?
Who gave that to you?
I'm done playing this game now, so
But you're in the game now.
so I can do my outro, bro.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
You about to leave?
yeah.
You about to not record?
I'm gonna.
Can you record
Yeah.
another video with me in it though?
No. This is a one-player game. You're not able to join me
No, I
in
said
the same
I
server.
I didn't leave fraud.
No.
What's that video going to be called?
You know what? I'm playing this game one more time. I love it too much.
Wait, what?
One more time. I'm trying again before I decide to play something else or something. Nom nom nom. Why are you typing my Roblox user into YouTube? It's not going to be there. You dingus. I'm not telling you. Make me. I saw it. No, I saw the demon. Get out of my screen. Running! It's right behind me. It's right behind me. Okay, time to... I'm scared. I did it! CJ, I did it! I beat the game!
What's your YouTube name?
But yeah, now that I've actually beat the game, I'm gonna stop recording now. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, chat.
Never say that again. Goodbye.